Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle an issue: how to fix Spotify Wrapped 2023 not working. Spotify Wrapped is a feature that shows you your top listening moments of the year, but sometimes it may not show up, not load, or give you an error message. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's make sure you meet the prerequisites for Spotify Wrapped to show up. But what if you've done all this and Spotify Wrapped still isn't showing up? Here are some troubleshooting steps. Now, if your Spotify Wrapped isn't working or loading, here's what you can do. Lastly, if you want to download your Spotify Wrapped playlist to MP3, we recommend Audifab Spotify Music Converter. This tool can convert Spotify music tracks to MP3, AAC, WAV, FLAC, AIFF, ALAC at 10x faster speed with 100% lossless quality. That's all. We hope that these tips help you enjoy your Spotify Wrapped 2023 without any glitches. Thanks for watching.